Nin explains, I'm insecure, dealing with insecurity. That annoying voice telling you bad things again, huh? Do you have a habit of concocting problems that don't exist? People tell themselves a whole myriad of strange things. Maybe it's to do with your relationship. You're never going to find another woman, you'll be alone forever. Or something about your job. Put your career first, otherwise people are going to know that you're a fraud and a failure. But most of the time, it's the nasty things that we tell ourselves about us. You're so fat, you're so ugly, you'll never amount to anything. Yes, we do tell ourselves some very interesting things. It sucks if somebody else is telling us that. But most of the time, it's the damage that we do to ourselves that really hurts. Like a bad school teacher or an angry parent, we as humans have become very good at beating ourselves up. But once we understand where it comes from, it's easier to deal with. Now, this isn't going to be pleasant, but it will help. Step 1, write it out. Literally, write every thought that's going through your head right now. Get it out of there, write it down on paper. I am a stupid poo-poo face and I smell like poo. Step 2, where do you think it comes from? Do you see a pattern here? It might not come to you immediately, but once you have a look, it's usually down to 2 or 3 root causes. Step 3 is to start challenging these beliefs. Is this actually true? Most of the time, it's an idea that you've warped or concocted in your own head that doesn't really exist in physical reality. Hang on a minute, I'm not a stupid poo-poo face. And I don't smell like poo. But even if they are true, do you want to stay that way? Or do you want to change and improve for the better? Step 4, make a plan to change. Listen to me guys, it's no good feeling like crap, especially if you're the one that's making yourself feel this way. Be the change. Focus on what you want rather than focusing on what you don't want. Be the example that you set for yourself. Step 5, focus on the good. People who are insecure are masters of seeing what's not working and then concocting further problems to support that. Don't. Focus on the good. See what is working and build on that. Once you focus on the positives, your negatives will dissipate. The whole process isn't easy. It's going to be uncomfortable, and confronting your own fears isn't an easy thing to do. But once you do, you'll realize that you're not the things that you tell yourself, and you're not even things that other people tell you you are. You are whoever you choose to be. You have a choice on whether or not you want to be insecure or not. But you always have a choice. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here, follow me on social media there, and let me know your questions and comments in the comment section below. Holy cow, it's hot in here. Ah, Jesus, what is that? Hang on, I'm not a stupid poo-poo face. If you're wondering why I'm kind of stuttering my words today, it's because massive hay fever, really struggling to get my words out. So sorry about that.